Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install LineageOS 21, which is Android 14, on your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Exynos variant. So let's get started. So first up, keep in mind that all the data on the phone will be erased. If you have anything important on the phone, better back it up. Also, you need to make sure that your phone's bootloader is unlocked and you have twrp recovery installed. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below where I have shown you how to do it, so you can follow the steps there and then come back here. Once you have backed up all your data, you can click on the two links below down in the description. And again, I want to say a big thanks to Ivan Miller for bringing newer Android versions to our old phones. As you can see, his work over here: S7 Edge, S7, Note 7, Note FE, S8, S8 Plus and Note 8. So since this video is on S7 Edge, I'm gonna click on S7 Edge over here. If you have the S7 flat model, you have to choose this one. Since mine is the Edge, I'm gonna choose this one. And here you need to click on the download LineageOS 21 text over here, and the download will automatically start. Next up is NICG apps. Here you need to click on releases. Since we are installing LineageOS 21, which is based on Android 14, you have to click Android 14, click on the latest date, and here you can choose if you want the full GApps or the stock GApps. Stock means you know what you get when you turn on your phone out of the box. I'm just gonna go with core GApps. I just want the bare minimum GApps. So you have to just click on this and the download will start after 5 seconds. Once you have got your files, you can exit out of your browser. Now all you have to do is you need to copy these two files over to your phone. I suggest you to do this using an SD card or a USB OTG, a USB drive. But since I do not have any other SD cards and I have lost my USB OTG connector, I will first have to format the internal storage in twrp and then copy these files. So yeah, it's double work for me. I can't do anything. So let me just jump over to the phone real quick. Okay, so let's boot the phone into twrp recovery mode. To do that, you need to press and hold the volume up button, the power button and the home button all at the same time until you see the twrp logo. So let me do that. Press and hold until you see the twrp logo. Now we can let go. Okay, so first up what you need to do is you need to tap on wipe, tap on advanced wipe, select the boxes which says dalvik/art cache, system, data, internal storage, cache. Oh, not micro SD card, cache. So yeah, swipe to wipe, come back, tap on format data, type in the word yes, hit the tick mark, come back to the twrp recovery home screen and then reboot back into the recovery once. Okay, once your phone is back in twrp, you need to tap on install and then browse to where you have stored the LineageOS zip file and the NICG apps zip file. So again, if you have stored it in SD card or your USB drive, you need to tap on select storage and then choose where you have stored it. But since I have to still copy the file to the internal storage, I'm gonna be right back after copying the files. Okay, so I have the files copied, so you need to tap on install and then browse to where you have stored your LineageOS zip file and the NICG apps zip file. So first up, tap on the LineageOS zip file, then tap add more zips over here, then tap on NICG apps zip file and then swipe to confirm the flash. Now you just wait until the flashing process is complete. Okay, so once the flashing process is complete, you need to tap on the home button, go to wipe, tap on format data, type in the word yes, hit the tick mark and then tap on reboot system, and now the phone will boot into the LineageOS ROM. The first boot will take some time, please be patient. Okay, so we are booted into the LineageOS ROM. Let me just finish the setup wizard real quick. And as you can see, we have booted into the LineageOS 21 ROM. Look at that snappiness, man. And let me show you the Android version over here. As you can see, Android version is 14. So yeah guys, this is how you install Android 14 custom ROM on your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Exynos variant. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.